Welcome back to all my viewers and subscribers. We are back at it again, another day on the bush pot cooking. Yeah man, with the right on the farm. And today, what we'll be doing, we're going to be cooking some crab. Yeah man, we're not talking about no little crab, you know, we're talking about some big crab. Like the real crab they do in Jamaica. You know the crab that we're catching in the riverside? Then crab, yeah. See them, yeah? Then crab, yeah. I see him? Crab. We're going to cook crab today. Yeah man, so if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, just hit the subscription button below and also like and share. Remember, hit the subscribe button. We're gonna jump into it now and we're gonna show you how we cook crab Jamaican style. Stay tuned. Yeah! For the farm. Yeah man, feel the crab.
That's my car, smooth as manga.
Right, you like share them, get in a bit.
Let's make a cup of chicken.
No, come on, you can get it. I share them now. So on the big, so on the right over there, sir. One over there, sir. Keep a look to the scene. Oh, this one right there?
Yes, one next one.
Alright. Now I can get her, Biggs. Biggs, now I can get her. You want him?
Yeah man,
Yeah man, a big old boy want to get her. Go in there.
Yeah.
Right there. You want him?
Yeah, man. Oh, so scary.
The big old boy want to get her.
Bye.
You know something? I see bush move down there, son. Where from? Oh, I see him. Come here, boy. Yeah. Come here. Where? Yeah, you know. Send me where I come from, my youth. Ow! Oi! Aye! You hold me, keep and bite me. Freaking hell!
Why? I can't squeeze it.
Woo! Hey boy, see one girl, you know? You see one dangerous? Be careful. I want you hurt, you know. Alright.
You're lucky when you have to squeeze it, you know.
You're lucky I have to squeeze the eye, not true?
Yeah, man.
Alright. But you not try to escape. Yeah, deal it in case. Go back tonight.
Alright. Can I escape later when the hot water touch you?
Yes, Biggs. How fire look?
Yeah man, I must really get water. This is what it's called crab yet, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm crab today.
Alright, boy.
Crab will bite you. Open idea.
See you, Biggs? So for today's recipe, these are the ingredients we're going to need. Thyme, scallion, scotch bonnet pepper. We have some cut noodle. We have some pimento, aka allspice. We have Grace jerk sauce. Yeah? And we have salt. That's all you need to cook crabs, people. And these pepper, we're gonna be using all of these peppers because crab has to be really spicy. So we're gonna make this a very hot and spicy crab today. Alright. Yes, people, so I'm preparing some water to wash the crabs because I don't want them too raw. So I have some vinegar in this water here and I'm squeezing some lime in it. So I'm going to wash these crabs here now. Because I will wash a crab properly, yeah? This is how I wash my crabs. Alright. So I use this little brush here to wash out every little muck and dirt out of these crabs. These crabs came over from North Caicos. North Caicos don't have any sewage, outside sewage or any of that kind of stuff, so I don't have to worry about that with these crabs. These crabs actually came here on a boat. Yes, we have to wash all of them crabs clean. Yeah. Is it? Is it? Wash them off nice and clean in a river. You know, funny enough, keep on my right handed, I can't hold crab with my right hand good. I hold it with my left hand to feel balance. I don't know why.
season tea pot Patrick.
Yes, brother. Season the pot nice and spicy, you know? Come on. These peppers are really hot. Show the people say oil water boil.
Yeah man, blazing hot.
Yeah man.
Blazing and blazing.
Right, so. Spice up the crab pot, nice, you know? Spicy crab.
Patrick, you smell that?
Yeah boy.
Pepper and catsup from Australian.
Yeah man, aroma that is something else big. I'm gonna put a lot of pimento in this one.
Got the Patrick in plate.
Yeah man, jerk sauce, give the crab flavor, you know? Can't too spicy. Nice. Check the pot, you know, and see if all the taste of it. Damn, that spice so good. I think you need more pepper still. Get some more pepper and try my pot mix. Yeah man, more pepper going in the pot, you know. No, Biggs, I think I time for putting the crab in the Biggs. Yeah man, I think I time. So I'm going for this. Quality control.
Pepper now.
Woo! Why? I wish you could have tasted this through the phone. Yeah man.
Yeah man.
See the size of the crab people? Look, see it?
What?
Yeah man. Crab in a hot rock.
Patrick, move again, Patrick.
You know, move again. Alright, see there?
Nice fat female.
So I have about a dozen and a half or 2 dozen crabs in this pot here now. So this is gonna be ready in about a half an hour. It's seafood, it cooks very easy, so we don't want to overcook it. So another half an hour, I'm going to take these crabs out. Reefer and Biggs are ahead from the rain. And I hot.
Yeah. Hot good man, I look a drop. Yeah. That drop shows still. That do drop.
Well, it's raining on the pot, but that not stop, you know. So it's been almost 25 minutes. I'm going to take these crabs out. See the jerk sauce all over the pot? Wow, that's just beautiful. Want to taste on it?
Yeah man.
Keep us one to drop off here. Tell me what I want to feed. Tell the people what I want to feed crab. See what it tastes. Come in, Biggs. What? See it, Biggs?
Yeah man.
Tell what I want.
Pepper turn up.
Good work.
Crab ready?
Yeah man.
Pepper turn up, spice good?
Yeah man.
Key for the reefer. What I want, oil crab?
Wonderful man.
Yeah? Alright. Okay, so there you have it people. Jamaican boiled crab. Spicy crab. Right now Biggs a quail banana leaf. Because right now we don't have no plate over here. So my quail banana leaf saying the tear up so easy. We're making plates. No, there's no plates here today, so we're quailing a banana leaf. So share the food on now.
Look on river.
What are Biggs? Real crab eater.
And I'm crabbing and no yam.
Crab good?
I'm just one more swap to one.
Yes, Reefer.
Yo sir.
How the crab are going?
No good, we just a start.
What? Me see that Claude biggie, man. Claude big on your reefer.
Come on. Watch out. Handmade. Crab made and cuff, you know?
Crab made and cuff.
Huh? Watch out.
You see it? Oh, whole heap of flesh.
Carol, I know we have to improvise. Hold on here. One like him more me, you know.
Yes, reefer.
Yeah, man. Teeth them strong, you know?
That's not the river.
Just like fish. Chicken.
A few minutes later, Biggs, how are you that crab there?
That's the Robinson tour.
Me not grab you no two, brother.
Man, a treat to a crab, brother.
A three to your crab,
Come on,
yeah?
see them. Look. A treat to.
How much to your crab supposed to have?
10.
10 to a what kind of crab you have with 10 to? I eat 2 crab, brother.
Never more, we get 4 more tour.
4 more. Yeah. So Biggs, how you deal with inside that side crab now?
I'm going to show you. These are clean up all of this. We just be happy every day, no?
Yeah,
You
sir.
can just be happy.
So regardless of COVID-19, we make yourself happy every day.
Yeah, man. No, you no worry about no woman, no picnic. No, you can make yourself happy.
So everyone responsible for their own happiness.
Yeah, brother.
Yes, Bushpod fan, thank you so much for watching that video. If you enjoyed that video, give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, click the subscribe button so you don't miss out on future Bushpod video. Give thanks. Until next time, stay safe